This is a product review and unboxing of Ozark Trail's twin airbed with pillow pump. So hopefully this will be a great demonstration of how to use the pillow pump for those who are using it. I decided to purchase this before I'm going to go use it because I like the idea that with a pillow pump you won't need to plug it into electricity or use an electrical battery pump or the bigger billows pump that I've used before. So let me start unboxing this real quickly and we'll go through this, see how well it works. So what we've got here, comes in a nice bag. And nice carrying bag there. Oh, a repair kit. Oh, here's here's the bag for inflation. This is twin size. So let me spread this out. And we'll see how well it works. Okay, so here we go. We unflip that thing. See how that goes. I suppose we just open this one. Looks like a one-way valve on this. Yeah, looks like a one-way valve and a second valve over here to let the air out. So screw this on. Rotate that a few times to screw that on. Okay. Now we're ready to go. See if it works. Should just be able to open it like this, close it, and fill it up. Open it again. Close it. I see it's filling already. It's come off the ground over there. That was 2. I could get more pressure, more air out of each of those, but I'm more interested in how long it takes to fill it up. And you can see how full the mattress is getting. I'm planning to use this just everywhere. As a second bed, as a first bed when I'm out in the field. There we go. See how fast it's filling up. Really rather easy. Oh, the exit valve popped open. It wasn't shut very tight. So there's the exit valve popped open. So it started letting out the air. Oh man, it's pretty much full now. I'd call that full. Yeah. I'm going to give it a little bit more. Okay, I believe it has a one-way valve, so I'm going to get on it right now and see if it holds the air okay. Ugh. Oh yeah, I'm definitely not on the ground. Don't have to worry about that. And I could adjust the tightness of the mattress if I wanted to make it softer or harder. I had one of these mattresses years ago. I don't know what brand it was, like this, and I overfilled it and broke those pillars inside it, and so you don't want to overfill them and take the chance of popping that. But I would say this thing works really well and as advertised. And the last thing one should do is try and figure out how to use this pillow pump as a pillow also. Screw that on to hold the air in just in case. Hold the rain out. And put this on here to make the pillow. Get it on there. Alright. So again, to fill up the pillow, same thing. Just open it. You see I'm just pulling it open. Close it. Roll it down. And then the tricky part. I'm familiar with these because I've had a wet sack before. The tricky part then to make it stay shut is simply to fold it over. Oh, that one's coming out. Is simply to, once you fold it over, to snap it shut like that, which should keep it from, and that pillow is going to be way too full right now. But let a little air out of this thing, or don't put it down as far. And snap it shut again. It'll be a little, still very large. I'd have to let out more. But it does have a kind of a velvety cover on it, on that and the mattress. So it's going to be a little bit soft. My personal preference is to put down real cotton bedding over these things and put a real cotton, yeah, so that would be about right. Very nice. So my review on it is it really seems to work great, and it only took a matter of a few seconds to fill it up, and it should be very, very useful. It's nice that it comes with the bag to carry it around in, so you don't have to worry about the box breaking and such. All right, that finishes my review, and I'd say this is a A1 success, and I would recommend it for somebody. I paid total $20, including the tax here, so $18. It was $17 at Walmart. So that's my opinion on it. It'll fully working model. Have a great day.